Hello. This feels a little bit weird if I'm honest with you. I'm making an advert on my own in my kitchen for YouTube to promote because I want to sell something. Stick with it because I think you might find this of interest. I have a YouTube channel with 30,000 subscribers and it's all about gardening and do it yourself. Every month now, product providers send me things for free to review, like that chainsaw and wildlife cameras and gardening equipment. I now ask for 2 products, one for me and one to give away. So there's a chainsaw there for me and a chainsaw in that box for me to give away. And I have a monthly prize draw, my giveaway gift bundle. But you have to join my club. That's the thing I'm advertising. I'd like you to have a look at my club. It's off YouTube on my website, markshousegarden.com. There's details in the description box below this video. You don't just get the free prize draw, you get the newsletter, you get discount codes, vouchers and money off vouchers. So it's not just about the prize draw, although I think that's something that would really appeal to me. So there we go, my homemade advert. I'm going to spend the princely sum of £12 on this advert to see whether YouTube advertising is worth it. You could help me justify that £12 by just having a look at the club. Click on the link in the description box below this video and hopefully join up if you like what you see. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.